Then roads.
Quachera, here we are in Milan. We're going to Milan, so come and join us. We will do La Quaccia in Milan today. Yes, here we are now in Milan, going to the center, to the city center of Milan. Yeah, last night we checked out actually. Our hotel is outside Milan in San Rino by the stadium. But now we're going in Milan because we're going to Jollibee. And the Jollibee is here by the city center of Milan. Yes, at least it's quiet at the moment because still early. So this is actually by the castle, very big and huge castle here in Milan. Super big. Look at this, a big and beautiful castle. Amazing.
In 250 meters.
Yes, look, a lot of people by the castle. There's a lot of people, and look at this drum. It's beautiful drum from 1990s, 1970. Yeah, beautiful old drum, huh? And here we are by the castle actually. That's the big castle in Milan. So we will look around the castle because this is our first time in the castle actually in this side. Normally, the first time that we went here, we do immediately to Jollibee's side. But now, we're going here first by the castle side. Look around the castle. There's the kids. Picture muna tayo. So they make picture by the castle with us, and then later they will go walk around by themselves, and then we will stay alone. We will look for parking first. Looking for parking. Yeah, wow. This is really a nice old drum. Beautiful drum. Super nice. Look, from 1970, hindi pa ako pinanganak. Yeah, so we will cross the road. We're going by the castle side. Yeah, just me and my love because all of my kids, they went already to the center over there by the church. But we need to watch our car. Mahirap na. You cannot just park there. So we're just here in front of the castle. Dito na lang kami mag-picture kaming dalawa. So the kids, they are inside there by the church. So but we are here by the castle. So magpi-picnic na lang kami rito. We doing picnic here by the castle because we will watch our car. Baka mamaya magaya dati. Kaya sila mga bata, ayan, picture, enjoy kayo dyan sa center. Tapos, magba-Jollibee kayo later for sure. So, ayan, picture muna kayo dyan sa church. Church is really beautiful outside. I never been inside yet of the church. Wala pang time. But they have this huge castle here at the moment. It's also my first time here by the castle. So when we get time, we really stay in Milan and explore Milan. I think this city is really beautiful. And if we get a lot of money, because this city is also beautiful for shopping. Yun ang nakita ko last time. Look, picture ng mga anak ko when they go around the castle. Nice pictures, nice castle over here. Picture, nice. Nice shot. Beautiful. Ayan. At ang picture nila sa harap ng Milan Church. Diba? O sayang wala ang Willa baby ko. So, pipick upin namin sila naman ngayon. We need to pick them up kasi nasa sa Jollibee sila. Ayan, ang Jollibee Milan. So, we will pick them up. At sila'y kumain sa Jollibee. At dito kami sa labas. At hindi mo maiiwanan ang sasakyan. Kaya dito lang kami sa labas ng Jollibee. Nag-iintay sa kanila. Ayun si Jollibee. At for sure naman, may take out sila para sa amin. So, at magpipiknik na lang kami later sa daan. para sama-sama. Pero sa tagal nila, I think kumain na sila. Masyado silang na-excite sa Jollibee. Hindi na nila kami isinama at hindi na sila nakatagal. Kaya kumain na sila sa Jollibee. Ang daming Pilipino dito, oh. Ayan na sila with our Jollibee. Yay! Yummy, yummy Jollibee. Ayan na, may mga Jollibee na silang dala. Ay, ang saya-saya. Ang sarap-sarap nito mamaya. I'm so excited. Excited na ako. At ang dami nilang Jollibee dala. So, halina kayo. Sakay-sakay na. Sakay na kayo sa car. Para, ayun, si Narika. Ano yan? Ang tagal nyo. Parang hirap buhatin ba ni Jollibee sa tiyan nyo? At ang tagal-tagal nyo maglakad. Halina Jollibee at piknikin na natin yan mamaya. Sarap na piknikan yan. But now, we continue our journey going out, Milan. So, lalabas na kami ng Milan. We're now going on the way towards Germany. So, bye for now, Milan. Bye-bye. There's really a beautiful city. Thank you so much. Ayan, picture na lang. So, on the way outside Milan. So, this is Milan, mga kalakwatsero, kalakwatsera. So, I hope you enjoy some of the pictures of Milan. Yeah, picture lang. I just want to share actually pictures. And this is for my memories. Now, one in my lifetime. I've been the second time in Milan. Yeah, so I hope you enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah, this is the Jollibee when we went to the Jollibee of Milan, and this is the surrounding of Milan, outside Milan. So this is it. Nice big city. Look.
At the lights, turn left onto Piazza Cimitero Monumental. Take the third exit onto Via Sinisio.
Now we're going out Milan. We're now in the highway. So, bye-bye. And we're already here by Switzerland. This is the lake in Switzerland, just outside actually of Italy. Nice, huh? Thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And sorry if I don't have pala. Some part has no voice. Sorry, sira kasi.